What's up, guys? Crumb Nation here. I'm back to give you another little tips and tricks video on how to improve your stream without spending a whole lot of cash. Last time I talked about streaming without a capture card using the Xbox Companion app, and this time I'm going to be talking about why you don't need to buy a Stream Deck, an Elgato Stream Deck, or whatever you find on Amazon. Because if you use Streamlabs OBS, which is what I prefer to use, there is a super cool app in the App Store that not a whole lot of people know about that you can use to completely control your stream, all from, say, a tablet, which is what I use, or your phone. So I'm going to open this up and I'm just going to show you a couple of the things that we can do with it. It's really easy to set up. You just go into your settings on your Streamlabs OBS, and it has a little QR code. When you download the app onto your tablet or smartphone, whatever you're going to use, you just go ahead and scan that QR code, and you're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So it's going to reconnect. There we go. So this is kind of like what it looks like. I'm trying to show you with my light kind of glaring on it. But so this is what it looks like. You can customize it pretty much however you want it to be. But the things that you can do with it, I'm just going to control what I'm doing in this video with it. Like I can change my screen to go to in my in-game view, which is my PC, of course. Back to blank video is what I call this. I can go into this screen. I can jump to in-game side support. I can pretty much go anywhere I want as fast as I want, and it's all free. You don't have to spend any money to do this. It's absolutely free with Streamlabs OBS. It's super easy. A super nice thing is, yeah, like say I'm in my in-game menu, right? I can go ahead and click, where is it? Right here. So I can just turn off my webcam just like that. One touch. So something's going on in your house, you gotta go to the bathroom, whatever. It's just as easy as here. I can just go boop. Oh, wrong ones. So boop. Oh, my webcam's gone. Oh, it's back. So it makes everything really easy, really simple, and really seamless on your stream. And then that way, when you're in a game and you're clicking around playing Call of Duty or whatever, whether you use a PC or an Xbox, it's as simple as touching a screen on your phone or tablet. So that's just pretty much all I got. Just go ahead. The way you find this is you just type in Streamlabs OBS remote control in your app store and go ahead and give it a download. I'm telling you guys, it will make your stream quality go through the roof, and you guys will have a blast using it. I know I love it. It makes everything so much simpler. I can mute my mic. I can manage everything I need on my stream while freeing up a lot more of my monitors to do other things, whether it be pulling up information, Googling something. It just makes it so that I don't have to keep opening and closing windows. It's just instantly there, good to go, ready to rock and roll. So go ahead and give that a download, give it a shot. Let me know what you think in the comments. Just another little tips and tricks video that I got that I just wanted to share with you guys because, share the knowledge, share the wealth. See you guys later.